Securing enterprise Wi-Fi with passwords is no longer sufficient. EAP-TLS is the most secure 802.1x authentication method, replacing vulnerable passwords with mutual certificate-based authentication. It eliminates the risk of credential theft and evil twin attacks. Three core concepts underpin EAP-TLS. First, it's an 802.1x authentication method that requires mutual authentication using digital certificates on both client and server. Second, mutual authentication means the server must prove its identity to the client before the client proves its identity to the server, preventing evil twin attacks. Third, PKI provides the framework of roles, policies, and procedures needed to create, manage, and revoke those digital certificates. Three principles matter most. Without a mobile device management platform to automate certificate deployment, you are not ready for EAP-TLS. Successful deployment requires three pillars working together. The PKI issues the identity, the MDM delivers it, and the Radius server verifies it. Finally, automated certificate lifecycle management via SCAPI or EST is critical to prevent mass connectivity outages when certificates expire. Read the full guide at purple.ai.